I'll be using a round brush, size 2 and 6, and I will also be using a kneaded eraser to just lighten the pencil drawings. Otherwise, you can't erase the pencil lines once you start painting. Okay, so first I'm going to activate my paint with water, and this is what we're going to paint. I'll be using a Filbert brush to start, and I'll use the side angle of the brush. I'm mixing some peach and orange, very diluted, to start this painting. First start, like I said, use the side of your brush and to draw nice lines, because a daisy has got, it looks like fine lines of petals that's stacked on each other. So this will make a nice effect for your daisy leaves, or daisy petals. Okay, so once that's done, we pick up some more paint and then drop it in the middle to give some depth. So do this while the paint is still wet, then it will flow into the petals. Now you just wash your brush and use clean water to drag that darker paint into the leaves. You can rinse your brush in between if you want, but it's I don't think it will be necessary. Oh, and if you want, you can always turn your page if the angle is difficult for you to manage. There's no rule saying you can't turn your page. Then I took a nice brush, bright yellow, to do the inside of the daisy. This is absolutely your choice, and as you know, I'm a little bit impatient, so I dried it with a little fan, just a quick dry, so I can carry on painting. Now I'm mixing a more opaque orange, also with a peach and orange. And I'm using my round brush size 2 to draw some lines on the edge of the petal, and that will, it's like shades, and that will create dimension. It will look like the leaves are on top of each other. And it's also your choice how dark or how light you want to make this. You don't have to use the peach and orange color I used. You can do it with yellow. You can do a white daisy. It's all up to you. So isn't this great? This watercolor month. I can't wait to share all the fun paintings we're going to do for this month. Remember to sign up for the rest of the month. The first week, of course, is free. I'll be posting all the videos on YouTube, and all you have to do is just send me your name and surname, and also that you are willing to join my email list. I want to apologize for this part being off camera a little bit. What I'm doing there is putting some burnt umber and orange on the side in a wet area, so it will flow nicely into the yellow disc part of the daisy. So we're almost finished. I'm going around with that same color, and then also putting some nice little dots into the disc, a yellow disc. And then we almost there. I'm so glad that you joined me for this video, and looking forward to sharing the rest of the videos with you. If you haven't joined yet, all you need to do is send me a message on Facebook or Instagram saying I want to join, or I'm in for the World Watercolor Month challenge, and then I will get in contact with you and arrange your access.